Hi traders, today is 5th of February 2020. So we are now live the trading WTI crude oil market. So at this moment we did receive one short sell position. So I'm on the move for short sell position, and we have entered at 50. So our signal is at a 50.70 to short sell and TP at 50.54. So at this moment we are still in the minus, around minus 4 ticks, minus 6 ticks. So let's wait and see, and let's go back to the chart. So in this video I will show you how I do the trading for US session. So there's a few strategies here. So there's also epic trade, but this one is level 3 signal type. So focus on this right chart. Left chart is belongs to natural gas, so right chart here is for WTI crude oil. So this moment we're still in the negative territory, which is minus 5 ticks. So let's wait and see whether this market will go further down. So the target price is at around 16 ticks below. Hopefully this will be a good trade, so please watch this video till the end, and let's hope it will end very well. Traders, we resume back again. So it was unlucky day today because we did hit the stop loss, so there's a loss. It was a very fuck up did. It's a huge loss from my side with the extended stop loss, 480. It was a very unfortunate, just bad day in a trading day, and yep, just a bad day in trading day. So guys, thank you for watching. There's also a second signal appeared under epic trade. We'll resume later in a separate video. So thank you for watching and wish you guys good luck.